Disclaimer before this video starts. I am not a professional. I have not gone to school for this. I do not have a license for this. So if you don't know what you're doing or you're not used to using chemicals, do not do this at home. But if you want to see it, stay tuned. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl NeyahNecole, and I am back with another video. This video is a little different than what I usually do. Today, I'm showing you how I get my very beautiful, luscious red hair. And I'll take you through all the steps of the process of me coloring my hair and doing my hair and whatnot. So stay tuned. I hope you guys like the way I do my red hair. Okay, so I know I'm looking nappy-headed right now. So I'm going to take this white tooth comb and just comb my hair out. It's already combed out for the most part, but we just want to really, you know, get it combed out. Whew. Okay, it's already combed out, so I'm not going to do too much. So I'm going to section my hair. I'm going to section it into fours. Let's not forget, we know that I have a bob. You know, my hair is pretty short right now, but it's actually going back, which is pretty awesome. Two packs. 40 volume developer. I look crazy. And then I have a bowl, the brush, I have gloves, and I have a bag. So I'm gonna just start off with one pack because I've never used two packs, even though I do have two. I never really used two packs, but if I need it, I'll add it when that time comes. So I'm gonna just go by eye and pour this. I don't necessarily measure it. I just pour and then I mix some, and then I just try to get it to the consistency that I like it. I don't really follow no measurements. Pour, 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 pour. Okay. Okay, so I got it to the consistency that I like. So what I'm gonna do, so I just section it off. Get some on the brush. Since my roots are the dark part right now, I'm gonna start with my roots. And I'm not yet going to go all the way through the red yet. I'm gonna just do the roots right now because since that part is already processed, you don't want it to process basically the whole time that the hair is processing. So. Of course, it's fine to get some of the bleach on the red. You're going to eventually dye that too. But don't go all the way through it yet. Just because you don't want that processing as long as the black is fresh virgin hair. And that needs to lift up to what the red is. So the back is dyed. It's all on the back. Make sure you kind of like push it in so that it'll get good on your roots. This is my broken off leave out part that I usually leave out of my weave. Most girls that wear weave have this broken off part. It's kind of a girl thing. Guess something we can all bond over. Our broken weave out. I'm so serious. I feel like everybody could bond over their broken leave out. Everybody got broken leave out. So, yeah. Girl, at what point in your life did your leave out start breaking? What did it break from? Is it being too much heat, or you dyeing it to make the bundles match, or you flat ironing every day to make the bundles match your hair texture? Like, at what point did your leave out break off? That's a legit question out here in these streets. At what point did your leave out break off? And where I still have all this dye in my hair and I still have curls. So, sis, call your hairstylist and ask them why you ain't got curls no more, okay? Because I do my own and I still got curls, sis. So, maybe they doing something wrong and you should come to me. Give me your coins. Okay, sis? Okay, sis. It dyes really quickly. Like, the back of my hair is like blonde, like a honey blonde already. My hair takes to dye so easy. Alright, kids. Our bowl is empty. We got our bleach on. We're going to take our little baggie. We're going to put our bag over our head. And I'll check back in right now. It is 6:19. I'll check back in about 5 to 6 minutes just to see where the color is, to see if that's where I want it. Okay, so it is 6:27. Let's take a look. That's literally how fast my hair dyes. But this side is still kind of brown, so I'm gonna let it sit for a couple more minutes. But this is how fast my hair dyes, guys. That was so quick. Look at that. That's crazy. I'm gonna let it sit for a couple more minutes, and I think I might as well just check back in with you guys when I wash it out instead of coming back once this side is dyed, because that's like a waste of time. So I'm gonna wash it out and I'm gonna come back when I put the red on top. So see y'all in a minute. Okay, so I washed my hair. I made me a homemade deep conditioner with egg, mayonnaise, turmeric, grapeseed oil, a deep conditioner, like rejuvenizing conditioner by itself, and some olive oil. And I just mixed it all together in a bowl and I put it on my head. I didn't film that part, but it's okay. I'm sure you'll see me do deep conditions again or soon, whenever. So I'm gonna let this sit. This has actually been on my head for what, about like 20 minutes probably. So I'm gonna let it sit probably for about another 30-45 minutes. I'm probably gonna eat something and come back, and then I'm gonna put my red on. I wanted to deep condition between the bleach and the red because the red that I'm using, so the red that I'm using is a semi-permanent. It's not necessarily permanent, which means it is a like a rinse type of thing. So you just put it on and then you wash your hair, rinse it off. It's not really damaging to your hair. So I didn't want to put the rinse on and then deep condition it and the color be kind of faded. So I wanted to deep bleach my hair, deep condition it, and then I'll put that on so the red could just look nice, fresh, and healthy. Right now, yeah, I have the deep conditioner on my head. I look like Khalees, because you know she walking around with like the blonde roots and the pink tips. I look like her right now, but don't judge me. I'll be back when it's time to put the red on. Okay, so I just washed the deep conditioner out of my hair. I told you I was out here looking like Khalees. So now, I look crazy. So now I'm gonna take my voila. So I'm all red. I look crazy. I'm gonna let this sit for like 30-45 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out and blow dry my hair, and I'll show you guys all got blow dried and the finished results when I'm done with my hair. I have to wash my clip-ins because I'm pretty sure I'm wearing my clip-ins, but I don't know if they need to be dyed. Oh, excuse me. So I'm gonna see if they need to be dyed. If they need to be dyed, I'll do that, but I'm not gonna film that because I just don't feel like setting it up to film that. So you'll probably have to see it another time. But yeah, so I'm gonna let this sit and I'll check back in with you guys later. This is the big reveal. I have not looked in the mirror. All I did was wash my hair out. So let's see this. So I'm a redhead again, y'all. Okay, so this is all blow dried. It's not blow dried great, but at this point I'm tired of doing my hair. So I am just going to put it up in a bun and go to sleep. Give D a call. Y'all know D's on the hair. A call and see if he could fly on me tomorrow when I get off work, because I don't want to do it myself. So y'all love these luscious locks. This hair, my clip-ins are made from Hair Candy Boutique. What's up, Hair Candy? Thanks for the hair, guys. My real hair was flat irons by D's on the hair. Thank you, D's, for flat ironing my hair. You know I love you. Go follow D's on the hair, best extensions. Go hit them up. They got you. They'll hook you up. But yeah, this is how I get my red hair. I got half up, half down right now because that's the way I like my clip-ins. This is one of my favorite hairstyles. And I hope you guys like this video. Again, I'm not a professional hairstylist, so don't take what I say with so much gratitude. Take it with a grain of salt, okay? But yeah, I hope you guys like it. I can do more hair tutorials. I can like do a tutorial on how to do my half up, half down if that's what you guys want. So comment below if that's what you want. But I love you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.